How to fix cannot hear notification sounds after iOS 26 update. Now, once you update your iPhone, certain settings get changed, and that may cause your phone not to send notification sound on your iPhone. So the first thing that you want to do is to check, make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on. So pull down the notification center at the top and make sure your Do Not Disturb is not turned on. So here, if Do Not Disturb is on, make sure it is switch off. So turn off Do Not Disturb. Next, make sure your notification is turned on. So turn off silent mode. Now, some phones have a side switch. So if you have a side switch or an action button, make sure it is not set to silent mode. If you have the side switch, simply pull it up so that it is in the on or the off position. So here, we can also go into settings, then scroll down and tap on sound. So if we go down and tap on sounds and haptics, make sure silent mode is switched off. So if it is turned on, you can use the action button to switch it off, or you can turn it off from the menu in here. Also, you want to make sure ringtone and alert sound is turned up. If it is turned down, then you may not hear it, or it may be simply switched all the way down to off. So make sure you raise it up to a level that you can hear. Now, while we're in here, you want to check the ringtone and the text tone. Sometimes text tone can be set to none. If it's set to none, you cannot hear the sound. So make sure it is set to one of the ringtone or the text tone that you can hear. Some tones are actually quite soft and very low, like this one here. You can barely hear it. So choose something that's quite loud if you cannot detect a sound. Okay, so for the same as ringtone, make sure the ringtone is working. Okay, so select a ringtone sound is loud enough so that you can hear. Now, if you don't get notification sound from a particular app, you can go into settings. Then we go down and tap on notifications. Now scroll down, and in the notification style, go through the apps and make sure they are turned on. So in here, we go down. So for example, FaceTime, make sure allow notifications are switched on, and also alerts are turned on based on your preference. So lock screen, notification center, and banners. Now if you go down a little bit, here is a sound section. Sometimes this sound is turned off or set to none. So you want to make sure it is set to a sound that you can hear. So these sound settings are set to a particular app only. So it is not a global settings for the phone. It is set for the individual app. So make sure if a particular app is not working with the sound, you want to go in here and check and double check. Make sure the sound has been set to something that you can hear. Another thing that you may want to check is the Bluetooth settings. Now, often people have issues because your Bluetooth is on and you have a connected device such as Airpods or an external speaker. So if your iPhone is connected to an external speaker, your audio will be routed to that particular connected audio device, and you will not hear sound coming from your phone. So you can either turn off Bluetooth or simply disconnect a connected device. So definitely you want to check on your Bluetooth settings. And if after all that you still have issues, you can try to force restart your iPhone by using a shortcut combination such as press on the volume up and then volume down, and then press and hold on the side button here to force restart your iPhone. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button, and keep holding until your phone restart. Shortly you should see an Apple logo appear. Once the Apple logo appears, then you can let go of the button, allowing the phone to reboot and refresh its memory. Okay, and finally, if there is a software bug, sometimes it might get fixed and updated in the next release. So you can always go into settings, then general, then tap on software update, and from here ensure your iOS is up to date and has the latest version. And that's it. Give it a try and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video.